Look closely at your phone charger. Now look at your laptop charger, your headphones, your power bank, even your gaming console. They're all starting to look the same. USB-C. But here's the problem. Two cables can look identical, yet behave completely differently. One charges fast, one charges slow. One sends video, one doesn't. One works, one mysteriously doesn't. So what exactly is USB-C? Why did the entire tech industry switch to it? And why were companies forced to adopt it? First, let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding. USB-C is not a technology. It's a connector shape, just like USB-A, the old rectangle, micro USB, Lightning. USB-C only describes the port and the plug. What travels through that plug depends on something else entirely. That's why USB-C feels confusing, because one shape is trying to do everything at once. USB-C was designed to fix three big problems: wrong orientation, no more flipping the cable 3 times, too many ports, phones had one, laptops had another, accessories had a third. Limited power. Old USB couldn't handle modern devices. USB-C was created to be reversible, universal, powerful. One port for data, charging, video, and audio. At least in theory. Here's what most people don't know. Inside a USB-C cable are multiple communication lanes. Think of it like a highway. Some lanes carry power, some carry data, some carry video. High-end cables can carry 4K or 8K video, laptop-level charging, high-speed file transfers. Cheap cables? They might only do basic charging. Same shape, very different abilities. That's why USB-C feels unreliable, because the connector doesn't tell the full story.
Now let's talk about the real chaos. USB-C can carry USB 2, USB 3, USB 4, and Thunderbolt. And manufacturers don't have to support everything. So a USB-C port might support video, or not, fast charging, or not, external displays, or not. This is why it fits, but it doesn't work. USB-C is universal in shape, but not universal in features. So if USB-C is better, why did some companies resist it? Simple: control and profit. Custom ports mean exclusive cables, licensing fees, brand lock-in. Apple's Lightning cable is a perfect example. USB-C removes that control. One cable, any brand, anywhere. Great for users, bad for ecosystems. Now the turning point. Governments stepped in, especially the European Union. Their argument was simple: too much electronic waste, too many chargers, too much consumer frustration. So they passed laws requiring a common charging standard, USB-C for phones, tablets, and small devices. Manufacturers had a choice: adapt or lose access to major markets. That's why even the biggest companies eventually gave in. It's an attempt to simplify a messy digital world. One shape, one port, one future. But until standards become clearer, that tiny connector will continue to confuse millions of people every day. And the next time a cable fits but doesn't work, you'll finally know why.